Hello, Anna. How's your mother doing?
What the schwa?
Hello, I'm Catherine from Magic Ears.
And I'm Anna from Magic Ears. And welcome to What the Schwa? The show where we go through the eccentricities of the neutral North American accent.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Catherine, you keep talking about neutral North American accent. What the heck is that?
Well, let me tell you all about it, Anna. The neutral North American accent is defined as the North American accent that is devoid of any regional dialect, including Canadian, Southeastern, Northeastern, or Midwestern, you betcha.
Oh, I already have no accent. I mean, I do when I talk to my mama.
Oh, yeah, you got real Southern there, friend.
Yeah, but normally I don't have an accent.
To you, but everyone has an accent. Whoa. Let me say that again. Everyone has an accent! And the neutral North American accent is a learned accent. Nobody speaks like that all the time. It's mostly for teachers, performers, and newscasters. This just in. This is the neutral North American accent. I'm reporting live from what we've seen is the worst storm at Magic Ears. This is Catherine, and I just realized I'm not holding my microphone.
Oh, so you're talking about the whole Merriam-Webster schwa thing, right?
Yes, Merriam-Webster!
How do you keep doing that?
So that's part of it, but there's so much more. Let's look at another word, shall we? So pick a word. Any word.
Okay, well, not temperature.
Yeah, no.
Calendar.
Ooh, good one. So let's Merriam-Webster that. Calendar. All of the schwas. Whew.
Okay, but that's so nitpicky.
I know. But at Magic Ears, we are priding ourselves on giving children the absolute best English education. And that means...
Yeah, neutral North American accent.
But seriously, do you understand why we're using this very nitpicky particular accent?
No, I do. It's about consistency, and consistency is the key to learning.
I'm glad I got through to you. So tune in next time for more great teaching tips. Oh, give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more great teaching tips.
And if you want to be a hero to thousands of Chinese children, then hit the link down below and start teaching with us. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Ooh,
I'm dancing on my head. I'm dancing on my head. I'm dancing on my head.
You should hit the like button. Ooh, good one. Why haven't you subscribed?
You could save a lot of time just by clicking the link because we're just going to keep dancing. They pay us to do this. We're literally going to be here all day. Ooh, Running Man.
Ooh, good one.
Was this the Running Man? I thought this was. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Is this the Roger Rabbit?
Oh, there we go. It's
I
one of those.
remember. You should teach with us!